Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tesa, or Tesa.ma on Instagram. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. Today I forgot to filter the intro, so I'm going to do a voiceover this time, but let's just get right into it so we don't waste any time. So I'm starting off with my sanding bit and just smoothing out and melting the tips with my natural nail. I'm using the No Lift nail primer, and this is for sensitive nails. So I got this one from my local nail supply store. But I'll go ahead and have the link in the description to my Amazon store, and you guys can go ahead and shop there. So now I'm going to take my basic white acrylic color. I'm going to do a basic all white set, as you can see right here. It's going to be short, I know, so weird, but I'm doing a short, medium, I guess you could call it. I'm using my glazed top coat, I believe it's called. I'm gonna have to double check, but like I said, everything is gonna be on my Amazon store that's linked in the description. So everything that I use in this video, you're gonna be able to go see that right there. It is affiliate code, so I do get paid a percentage from when you clicking, but I don't get a whole commission from when you know, I'm not getting paid to share these things. But yeah, I really do like this glaze. It makes it look like it's glass, and it's non-wipe, so it's great. Now I'm using this KDS glue. Again, will be linked down below. It is my favorite glue, and I'm using these rhinestones that I got. It's actually a color wheel, and I actually got this from Michael's. It was actually only $3.89, and it comes with a bunch of colors in a bunch of little different sizes, which I loved, and that's what I've been looking for the past few weeks. So I'm so happy that I got it at a super cheap price, which actually surprised me because Michael's is usually kind of pricey. But yeah, this one was super cheap, and I loved them. They worked perfectly for what I needed them for. So yeah, that is the finished product. Super cute, love it. I've been wanting to do a design like this. This is super office friendly, and yeah, I loved it. So now we're gonna go ahead and go in with the $4, or I guess like $6 makeover. So I grabbed these clip-in hair extensions from the Halloween section, along with these blue eyelashes, also from the Halloween section. I was super surprised. They weren't in the exact Halloween part, but they're kind of like on the racks on the side. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I revamped these super cheap eyelashes that would normally be like witchy and like cheap. But I'm gonna go ahead and take my little sharp scissors that are for eyebrows and stuff and grooming, and I'm gonna go ahead and basically wisp it, which is basically cutting it vertically along the natural fake eyelash. You can do this to your liking. I basically was trying to go for the doll eyes, which means that I'm gonna cut from one end and then another end and then leave the center longer. But I realized that I'm not that much of a pro, so I just went ahead and just kind of thinned out the whole thing. That's how it ended up. Now, because that extension is curled, I'm using this curling iron that is my sister's. It's the Bedhead Waver wand, I guess. And I'm just going to go ahead and curl the front parts of my hair. I didn't spend too much time on the rest because I don't really need it. My hair is kind of wavy. I just wanted it to kind of make the front pieces flowy and match that hair extension. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here, as you can see. And like, again, I didn't even do the whole thing. I just basically did the front part. So now I'm gonna go with my LA Girl Pro Matte foundation, which I actually really like a lot. It really makes my skin look flawless. I don't know what it is. I didn't even use primer, and it made it look awesome. And I'm just gonna go ahead and dot a few dots of that on my face and blend it out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my Zulu by Juvia's Place. I'm taking only that brown color and that blue color. Those are the only colors that we're using today, because again, this is super easy, super simple. You know, those are my two favorite words. So I'm taking that brown color. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that all over the crease. You can also bring it down to the sides, which is like the inner corner and the outer corner. It all depends on you. I'm then taking this clean fluffy brush and blending out all that, making sure it's all smooth and flawless. Next, I'm taking my white LA Girl Mixing Foundation, which works perfectly as a base and a primer. I'm taking a little bit of that on my flat detail brush, and I'm applying it only in the center of my eyelid and then blending it out quickly with my finger. This foundation works awesome. It literally is like a powder finish foundation, so it works so good as a base. Like literally it's not budging, and it works perfectly for what I need it for, and it's so much for so cheap, so I loved it. This is basically the same technique as I do for like the halo eyes, which I'll go ahead and link that in the screen up there. Go ahead and click that if you want a little bit more detail on the halo effect and eyeshadow technique, but you can basically see it here too. Now I'm going to go in with that bright blue color, and this is the shimmery one. So I'm going to go ahead and take my finger, because this is kind of like a foiled shadow with shimmer, so it works best when you use your finger. I'm just going to grab that on my middle finger and pat it onto the whole section that we did the white on, and it just makes it look super vibrant and super perfect. Now I'm taking my LA Girl concealers, which is in my skin color or under eye skin color, and the yellow brightening color, and I'm just applying that underneath my eye. You guys already know the drill, and blending it all out with my Real Techniques cashmere sponge, but not the cashmere one, the regular one that comes in it, as you guys can also see in the video that I'm linking in the above section as well. Blending that all out, and then we'll go to the next step. Now I'm taking my airspun powder, you guys know I love this powder, and applying that with the cashmere sponge, which is basically a fuzzy sponge. Then I'm taking a little bit of that brown color that we just used on a flat shader brush. That's a little bit fluffy, so that's why I was pinching it, but I wanted it to blend out pretty nicely. So yeah, I'm just taking that, brushing it along my lower line, and then blending out the rest, just making sure everything is seamless and flawless all around, and there's no like harsh lines or anything like that. So yeah, go ahead and do that. Now I kind of had my eyebrows semi-done because I had done stuff earlier that day. So I'm just going to go in and define my eyebrow a little bit more with my LA Girl Cosmetics brow pomade. Now I'm taking my Revlon Color Stay liquid eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. And I'm just doing a little baby wing and lining my whole lash line. Now it's time for the stars. So I'm taking that blue eyelash that we just made, revamped, and I did cut it to my eye shape, so do that as well for yourself. And now I'm just applying it like a regular eyelash, just like you would any, and yeah, just to go ahead and do that. This alone looks cool too, but you know, we do it big when we go home. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take a natural looking eyelash. You can see right there, boom, natural. I'm taking this natural looking eyelash and then stacking that on top, just because I love this look. I had originally seen it when I believe it was like a lash girl, which is like a girl that does lash extensions. She was showing like demonstrating the new trend, which is colored eyelash extensions, and I actually really like them, but I don't know if I would go for them permanently. But look how cute that looks. It's basically the dark like blue underneath and the natural eyelashes on top. And look how cute it looks. You can almost not tell, but it's such a cute little twing of something, a little some, a little thing. Then I blended out my powder that bake, and then I'm just contouring my nose and bronzing up my face a little bit. If you guys want details, go ahead and look at that one. That's also linked in the above section right there. You can see my whole routine. Well, we ain't gonna waste time on that today. Then I'm taking my Model Co highlighting wheel, and you guys know I love this. This is a cream highlighter, and I use it for everything. So putting that on my cheeks, putting it on my nose for that glow. Real quick, I wanted to show you guys a close-up of those lashes in the sun. Here they are, so cute. I love them. A little bit of that 1-2 step, and I forgot to show y'all my lip combo, but go ahead and watch the last video if you guys want to see the details on this lip combo. And bada bing, there you got it. Look, looking cute, colorful, for only like $6. So yeah, it's lit. I'll see you guys next time. And you guys make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.